CHI is an organization that helps children in sub-Saharan Africa infected or affected by HIV. I've been privileged to come alongside this organization for over the last 10 years and have been able to witness firsthand some of the work that they do. The children that CHI finds to take in are often orphans or partially orphaned children. They're most of the time not able to afford school or health care or food. CHI bridges that gap by raising money and supports these children so that they can go to school, cover any fees that they need, nourish them with a meal every single day, gives them a community on Saturdays to hear the gospel and eat another nutritional meal, visits them in their homes when they're sick, checks in on them, and one of the most important things, takes care of any medical needs that they have. In 2018, we raised $18,000 for CHI just by me sharing some of the stories. I am so excited to share with you over the next 12 days all of the fun things that I've gotten to experience, as well as some of the hard things, but more importantly, what God is doing through this entire story. I pray that you see the love that I have for these children of Africa, and also that your heart will be tugged to love them as well. Thank you for your support, and I can't wait to share more with you about CHI, my journey, my sponsored kids, and how you guys can help.